Hey Ewans, welcome back to my channel. It's Winnie VLV, Mouth of the South. No intro, no outro, just this ho. How are you all? It's the beginning of a work week after a holiday. Girl, all I heard on 4th of July, the town I live in usually has like a big, huge fireworks celebration where they drag out those two records, Neil Diamond, America, and Lee Greenwood's God Bless the USA, right? Is that every town, or am I just saying that? I mean, and there's a John Cougar song, John Cougar Mellencamp song, too. Anyway, yes, what I was trying to say is my town, usually they do this big, huge thing. This is the second year. They're like, nah, we're just COVID. Nah, we're not doing it. So we had all of your amateur fireworks enthusiasts up all night long on the 4th, just having a field day. You know what? I'm that old woman. I'm not the one. I am the old woman, but I'm not the one that's like, stop doing. I don't care. Do it. If it makes you happy, it makes me happy, and I want to see the kids be happy. Guys, I have a collaboration video today with none other than Autumn Beckman. That is right. Budget conscious queen. Queen of the budget, yes. Anyway, she will teach you how to buy bags if you are on a budget, and I love her channel, so you need to go on and watch this after. You know what? You may have come over from her channel. If you did, thank you. I love you, and I need all of you. Mwah, 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 a lot. So thank you. And if you are watching this in the autumn, go over next. You know the drill, guys. We both bought COACH Totes. Dun, 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 dun. I gotta say, I bought this 2 months ago, at least. It was one of those outlet, hey, we're giving you a big sale, get on it. So, of course, I went over there and got on it, honey. And I bought this tote, and I've been begging Autumn to do a collab on a COACH tote with me, and she was finally like, I bought a COACH tote, let's do it. So she bought one, not the exact same. I don't even know what she bought. It's a surprise for both of us. So I'm definitely going to check out what she got, but this is what I got. And let's unpackage it. Oh, the anticipation. Oh, girl. Yes, this was an outlet find that I got a really good deal on. I don't think these lasted long because they're not on there now. They gone. Woo-hoo-hoo! And what did... Oh, wow, girl. Let me show you the front. Ooh, girl. I am... Yes. I'm loving this. I think it's gorgeous. Okay. Wow, it's got the little COACH carriage and horse on there. This is called the Jess Tote, I believe, Jes. Yes, and I don't know, guys. You know I'm crazy about blue. Blue is my thing, and this blue is gorgeous. I don't know if it's coming through for you guys, but it is absolutely gorgeous in that pebbled, I guess it's glove-tanned leather, because it feels so good. I love this embossing right here. This is what sets this bag off. And I'm normally not a tote gal, but when I saw this in this color for that price, I was like, yes, ma'am, today it's happening. Usually, you know, I say, not today, devil, but I'm like, devil, bring it to me. I love it. I'm just into the blue right now. I don't know if I'm ever going to get over that, but I'm just loving these blues. And, you know, it's like, let me just tell you this. The song, Am I Blue? Am I Blue? Don't sing that around your husband. Just saying. I sing it and then I'm like, maybe next week. Maybe the week after. It just depends on how I feel on a Friday or Saturday, girl. Anyway, some of you will get that and some of you will be like, oh, she's dirty. She's dirty. Okay, anyway. I am. The handles. Let's look at the handles together. Ooh, girl, this is so gorgeous. And you know, Coach, they will package your stuff up like Dick's Hat Band, girl. They will batten down all the hatches. I have seen a couple of people who buy, and not at the outlet, but I've seen people buy bags at the store, and they just basically throw them in a bag. I've seen that, and then just pitch it in a box and bye. But anyway, this is not the case on this outlet bag. This one is packaged up. Girl, she's stuffing. Ooh, the stuffing, I keep it because I be stuffing stuff up. Okay, so the interior is it midnight blue? Oh, it's actually a navy. I thought it was black at first, but it's a very dark navy color. Very nice. Can you guys see in there? Guys, I keep these too. Because you never know when you'll get a stinky bag again. Remember that video? I'll never forget it. But this smells good, yes. Snaps right here. Are y'all in the shot? Am I in the shot, guys? I hope so. Snaps right there for easy closure. And on the shoulder. Let me mod shot this girl. What do you think? I love, yes, just, hey girl, hey. Okay, she looks good. I love this leather. Clashes with my shirt though. I love this bag, and upon further inspection, this is a detail I didn't really notice, I guess, when I first got it off the website, but this is all glittery. Is that coming through, guys?
Am I coming in clear?
It's very like glittery. Oh, I love the sparkle. I mean, they didn't spare any attention to detail. It is silver hardware. The little snap is silver. The little chain on here is silver on the hang tag. And of course, inside your zipper pull is silver. I mean, there's not much hardware to it, but the little snap is silver, which I like that. Oh, yes, girl, yes. Let me do an Autumn Beckman special spin. Let me give it a spin. Oh yeah, this thing is gorge. And it's got that little crisscross on the bottom. No feet. But listen, for what I paid for this bag, honey, this is a knockaround bag for me. It will be. I've been using the Coach Rexy Pride Tote from last year that I got. But I might knock around with this. You know, I tell you that a lot of times I put all of my essential items. I don't know what an old lady needs. What is that now? Poise pads and Depends? Anyway, I'm kidding. Not yet. But anyway, all of my essentials. You know, my wallet, a big wallet I keep. There's really not much. Just a bunch of BS, really. All the other stuff, like my makeup pouches, just nothing. And I never use the makeup, but it's there. It's there. My glasses case, just in case I want to be blind walking around. Yeah, like, there's no logic there. But, you know, the whatever few essentials that I have, my keep-alls and stuff, I will put in this, and when I carry one of the tiny bags where I can just get in, you know, my debit card and keys and a chapstick, I'll carry this in the car just in case I need to get down there and get in something. And if I want to carry this too, you know, inside, I can. I love this. I think it's gorgeous. I love, love, love. It's like the answer to the On The Go or the Neverfull. It's, you know, and I'm not a big fan of the Neverfull, and I think a lot of what puts me off of the Neverfull is the little thin straps. But these thick girl like thick. What can I say? I do love this. I am overjoyed about this. I will definitely put my stuff in here. I'm still in the Noe pouch. I can't. I think until I finally get to buy my Chanel bag, which it's tiny. I'll just go ahead and tell you guys. You guys should know because you saw it on my wish list. But I'm probably going to carry that bag. I just love it. And I get a lot of like, oh, I love your bag from people. So you know, that's a plus. When you get that from a bag, you're like, oh yeah, she's going out with me every damn day. I need all the compliments. Bring them on. So anyway, I just wanted to show you this. I do have a lot of good stuff coming up. I want you to go over and see Autumn's tote that she bought. I'm very excited to see what she got. She's been getting some really great Coach items, vintage and everything, and new. So I'm very excited to go over and see just exactly what she got today. So head on over there and see. But first, watch the very end of my video. Bill gets me a ring. Yeah, kind of. So watch the last, it's several minutes because it takes us a while to get this ring. But anyway, you'll see. Just stick around. And also, coming up in the next video, I am going to try to do a tag video from Winnie. And then after that, definitely put the notification bell on so you can see when I post, because I've got a tiny haul. And it's not like expensive items. It's affordable stuff that might look like and remind you. It's kind of like fast fashion. I bought a few little pieces here and there. A Zara bag, Macy's. I got a little bag from, I think it's Steve Madden. No, Sam Edelman. So some looks like the real thing, but way cheaper, under $100. So anyway, that is coming up in some future videos. Definitely check that out. And hopefully in August, we unbox a dream bag. Ooh, girl! I am so there. All right, you guys have a great rest of the day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and hit that notification, girl, so you'll know when Oh Girl is posting some stuff. And listen, if y'all see my husband, don't tell him nothing. Bye. Hey.
What?
Would you get me some YSL? Like some jewelry, some YSL jewelry.
You lost your damn mind.
So no?
No.
Okay, but I saw on TikTok, this lady, she bought this kind of YSL lipstick, which I went ahead and bought some in your name, of course, because I knew you would want me to have this. But did you know that this can be a ring? Oh wait, I have it upside down. So all we need to do is take this apart and this ring comes off, and then you can give me that ring. Yeah.
So
I already took the, it was orange.
is that ring going to fit your finger or your thumb?
Oh, that was sweet because you thought it was too
Awful,
big.
it's awful big.
Oh.
Is that why you have the pliers sitting here? Do you want me to try this?
Yes.
Let's see if we can get her pulled out.
Okay, get her pulled out, babe. You're not on camera, but okay. Oh, shirt. Shouldn't be that difficult. I saw this girl do it on TikTok, and her man just pulled it right up out of her.
Yeah. I don't see that coming out of there.
She tried to pull it out several different ways, and I was like, wait, hold up.
I don't see that coming out of there anytime soon, baby.
But how did that beast do it?
You should have.
I already screwed that out because of the lipstick was in there.
That's not all the way out, though.
Oh.
Maybe that's the way it needs to be. More of the lipstick out to where you can get down there. Because if I stick this down there, it's going to make a mess.
It is going to make a mess. I'll wipe them off.
Have you got it? Here. We'll have to try this in a little bit. But I did. I'll bring you some roses, though.
You did? I already had those. This was a fail.
Oh,
what the hell? We can't get it out.
Let's see it. Yeah. We might.
Thanks for the roses.
Yeah, because it's going to make a mess. I'll have lipstick all over me trying to go sell something to somebody. Yeah, that's not like that.
Okay, we got bigger pliers. Yes, because the ones that I got, I thought, well, needle nose will do it, right? But those weren't.
Well, these are needle nose too, but they're larger, so you got a better grip on things.
Okay.
All right.
Let's try it. Okay, that was easy. Yes. Okay, it wasn't a fail.
Mine didn't even pop. Hey.
Sweet.
Right, what are you going to do with that piece?
Okay, throw that away.
Okie dokie.
And here is, okay, guess what?
Got to do it again? Let's see you pigtail.
I don't know how to get that off of there. I swear to God, the girl in the video just... Is she messing with us? Yeah, I got the inside out. But now, maybe she got that out and her husband, like, struggled with the rest. But I swear it was just 2 pieces. I mean, her husband just like, boom, here you go. They tried it, though, for a while, didn't they?
Probably.
Those suckers. It's like when you used to get in a Cracker Jack box, remember that? And you got the, I always love to get the tattoos. I don't know about y'all, but if you guys are old enough to understand what I'm saying, Cracker Jack, remember a Cracker Jack box? I wasn't crazy about those because you could bite down on one and really lose a damn tooth. And I think I did. But we're doing major surgery here. I don't know how that lady got this. Oh, okay. We're totally destroying everything.
I'm good at tearing shit up.
Yeah, we are. But yeah, Cracker Jacks, I loved the tattoos. The tattoos were my favorite thing. And occasionally you'd get a ring that would turn your finger green within like 2 seconds. But I can't remember all the other things that they had, but that's what this feels like. The anticipation of getting something. And in the cereal box. Kids, we used to get stuff in cereal. And me and my brother and sister, well, not much my sister, but my brother and I, we would pour that whole daggone box of cereal out. And remember how it used to come in the bag and the box would be this big? But then when you took all the cereal out just to get the toy, you know, and tried to stuff it back in without your mom and dad knowing, it would bloat out like it was pregnant. My mom and dad would be like, did y'all try to get this toy? You're going to eat all that cereal. It's not going to come out.
Yeah, we're getting closer.
We're getting closer, but it's torn the whole, which, you know, we didn't care because I bought an orange colored lipstick. Like, I'm not out here trying to do no orange on my lips, honey.
Let's see if we can get this edge off right here. That's what I'm trying to do. Get it bent down. That little ring is turning, so it should come off of there.
That lady was totally, the chick on TikTok, I don't know, she's one of these big TikTokers that has like bazillion views. I swear, she was just like, boop, boop.
Nothing is ever that easy.
No. I saw another YouTuber saying that they didn't like that people were going in and getting rings. Yay! Oh my gosh, it's flimsy.
Mm-hmm.
And it does fit me. Ta-da! Thank you, babe!